This is a video going over how to solve elapsed time problems on a number line. Elapsed time is the total amount of time that passes between the beginning and ending time of an event. We use elapsed time when we cook, bake, and travel. There are a few clue words when you're solving problems with elapsed time. When the problem gives you 2 times, then you are measuring to see how many minutes have passed, and your answer will be a number with hours or minutes. For example, if cookies go in the oven at 4:10 and they finish baking at 4:30, how many minutes were they in the oven for? Your answer would be 20 minutes. Now, when you're given a start time and given an amount of hours or minutes, then you're trying to find the end time, and your answer will be in a time format. For example, if cupcakes went in the oven at 4:30 and they have to bake for 25 minutes, what time would you take them out? You would have to take them out at 4:55. The jumps that we use in our class are called mountains, hills, and rocks. Mountain jumps are worth 1 hour. Hills jumps are worth 10 and 5 minutes. And rock jumps are worth 1 minute. When we create our jumps on the number line, we label the jumps so we can use them to count our jumps afterwards to find our answer or double check our work. When we use a number line when solving problems focused on time, we have to remember there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So that means anytime we reach 60 on the number line, we have to go to the next hour. For example, let's say you arrive at a store at 5:58 and it has a big parking lot, and you want to see how long it takes you to get there into the store. So let's say it took you 2 minutes. Okay, so on our number line, we would start at 5:58 and we add those 2 minutes. So we add our rock jump, 1 minute, and we end up at 5:59. Add 1 more minute, and instead of saying 5:60, we would say 6 o'clock. So let's do a practice problem. Devin left work at 4:23. It took her 38 minutes to get home. What time was it when she got home? So we have a start time of 4:23, and we're given an amount of time, 38 minutes. So our answer is going to be like it's a written out clock format. Here is what the jumps would look like. So our start time was 4:23, and we're going to add our hill jump of 10 minutes, and we end up at 4:33. Our next jump is a 10 jump, and we land at 4:43. Now I've only done 20 minutes of the 38, so I still have a bit to go. So add 10 more minutes, and now we're at 4:53. So we've done 30 of the 38 minutes. So we have 8 minutes left to show. We're going to add 5 more minutes, and we land at 4:58. So now we have 35 minutes and have 3 minutes left. So add 1 more minute, and we land at 4:59. Another minute, and we land at 5 o'clock. And add 1 more minute, and we're at 5:01. Now I'm going to double check that I have 38 minutes worth of jumps before I decide this is I'm at my answer. So I have 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, we have 38 minutes. I double checked my work, and our answer is 5:01. So Devin arrived at home at 5:01. Okay, let's do one more practice problem. So Doug started shopping at 2:35. He finished shopping at 3:38. How long did he shop for? So we have a start time of 2:35 and an end time of 3:58. So that means we're going to be using our jumps to find our answer. So we're going to count up those jumps. So our start time was 2:35. So because our end time is 3:58, we were able to use an hour jump, and we landed at 3:35. We still have a bit to go since we have to end at 3:58. So we have a 10-minute jump and we land at 3:45. So we've done an hour and 10 minutes. Okay, we still need to get to 3:58, so another 10 jump, and we end up at 3:55. We're not done because we have to get at 3:58, so we're adding minutes jumps now. So add one more minute, and we land at 3:56, another minute, and we're at 3:57, and we're not done, so we do one more minute, and we land at 3:58. Now, because we have a start time and end time, we're counting up our minutes, and that will be our answer. So we have 1 hour, and we have 1 hour and 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So our answer is 1 hour and 23 minutes. He shopped for 1 hour and 23 minutes. That concludes this video about elapsed time on a number line. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you and have a nice day.